Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven pot with skillet lid cooking pan, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This innovative cookware set combines a 7-quart Dutch oven with a shallow skillet that doubles as a lid, all pre-seasoned with vegetable oil for a natural, chemical-free cooking experience. With integrated sturdy loop handles, transporting your culinary creations from stove to table has never been easier or safer. Whether you're simmering soups, baking bread, or searing meats, this cast iron set is designed to meet all your cooking needs, both indoors and outdoors. Its exceptional heat retention and transfer capabilities ensure perfectly cooked meals every time, while the easy-to-care-for design requires just a simple hand wash and a light coat of natural oil for maintenance. The round, black design not only looks sleek but also enhances the cooking process by evenly distributing heat across its surface. Elevate your cooking game with this durable and versatile cast iron set, perfect for everything from frying and grilling to roasting and broiling. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.